Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi network password directly from within your Windows 11 PC. Now what you want to do guys, if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, on the taskbar you will see the Wi-Fi icon here. You want to click on that, and then you want to go ahead and you want to click on the arrow right beside your Wi-Fi network here. So you will see it says manage Wi-Fi connections. You want to click on this little arrow here. So this little icon here right beside your network here guys, you want to go ahead and click on it. It says properties. That's what it means. You click on that and it will take you right into this network here. So if you go ahead and you scroll all the way down to the bottom guys, you will see where it says view Wi-Fi security key. All you have to do is just simply click on view, and you will be able to see the password for your network. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy, very simple, and very fast. That's how you check your Wi-Fi password for your internet on your Windows 11 PC. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.